Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make Word document in your mobile. So let's begin. First of all, you just need to open your Play Store and go to search bar and type Word and search it. Right now you can see Microsoft Word. Just install and open it. So after open, you just need to sign in with your email and then you can find this kind of interface. Right now you just need to select on the top right hand corner plus icon, and then you can find a lot of templates. You can choose any templates from here, otherwise you simply select blank document. Right now you just need to edit your document and you can find a lot of options here. You can check it. So after that, if you just want to save it to your phone, just click on the top right hand corner three dot and then select save and select export at the last option and select this device and select location, and here you can see export. Just select it. Right now this file already saved to your phone memory. So in this way you can very easily make Word document in your mobile. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching.